Hello everybody, my name is Lefty the Complication and welcome back to another awesome Airsoft video. Today, Sean, Cassandra, and I are over at High Desert Snares over in Bend, Oregon, and we have a very fun objective today. Right now, we have to go capture the center flag and the dummy that's sitting at the center flag. There's a bit of confusion, some people thinking it was flag only, some people thinking it was dummy only, and all in all, it led to a really fun time. I'm again out here with my Jag Arm Scattergun having an absolute blast. Thank y'all guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy.
We got guys in the area right
in the hospital. I think you're dry firing.
Right now, I know there's someone near the jail, so if I can sit here and wait for them to come through this door, they've got a good couple of BBs waiting for them.
Low team! Low team! Low team! Oh no, dang it! Oh, well, you're lucky. I thought you were. You're lucky. I thought you were red.
Sadly, right as they made a push, a friendly pushed up and distracted me, and I missed my opportunity. So now,
Brad, move up.
The hunt is on.
I think there's one guy in the jail. Watch out.
I'm also a very big fan of being opportunistic and letting other players go in and get the kills. Or sending them in so I can figure out where the bad guys are and I'm not the one getting shot at. I like the first one better.
Are they shooting at you from?
Hey, I'm advancing.
Go for it. Do we know how many are in the saloon, if any?
No idea.
Okay, we've got one red watching the saloon. They just breached. I'll go for it.
Okay.
No falling over.
Dummy though.
Isn't it both? I thought it was both.
I don't think so.
Oh, darn. Well, we have it anyway. Oh, hit! Damn, I saw you just hit a little hole in the wall. Dead man walking, dead man walking! Oh, gun hit!
After a quick little trip to the respawn, I decide I want to push down on the south side of the map. However, there's people there trying to shoot me. Not very nice. I love how originally I got a shotgun for the CQB of this field. The only issue, its barrel length is longer than that of my rifles, which makes navigating in these tight areas really hard.
I don't know if that was one or not. No, he's still there. Oh, come on, come here. Oh, if that's all you're gonna give me. Oh, got him. What the fuck? Are you jammed up?
And that is annoying. Those are the Jag Arms shells. They are made for and came with this scattergun. And for them to already be shit in the bed after their first game day, very disappointing. But overall, I still love the shotgun, and most of the shells still work.
Yo! It's sketchy. They got a bunch of guys up here in the hospital.
Watch saloon.
Saloon, are you red or blue?
Hey, there's a blue approaching saloon.
There's a red in the saloon.
Red. There's a blue approaching. Blue approaching. Blue left side.
You shooting at me? I'll shoot back. Hey! Ooh.
Turns out that, well, yes, they were shooting at me. No, I should not have been shooting back.
Ooh.
Turns out that while I was respawning, the blue team was pushing up hard. Don't take that out of context.
Okay.
That's like facing directly towards me.
Okay. Try to wrap around the backside and hook into the rest of the buildings. Yep, I see him. Oh, hit! Ooh. Yo. Oh yeah, where is he? Left side? Oh, let's go get him. How far back is he? Probably.
Like all the way on the left side.
Well,
Tried killing him once.
let's go kill him some more times.
Those babies keep taken by the wind.
Yeah, it's so windy. Oh, shell. Oh, well, thank you. This darn thing.
And with that, Operation Reverse Finding Nemo was born. His dad left,
Is he like in the
so now
fortress, or
we're
is
gonna
he-
go find
He's
him.
a little bit across. You see the red flag right there? A bit across from it.
Oh, okay.
Probably moved, but
Probably.
that's the sun is up here.
Okay.
He's in the tires all the way over there.
Okay.
Holy shit, GoPro, you're making it sound like he's actually mic'd up. And after we pushed all the way out there to get him, somebody else got him. And with 30 seconds left, it's not like we're going to be seeing him again.
There's some blues up ahead, watch out. There's some blues up in these buildings right ahead. I see an orange barrel, it might be pointing at you. Well, had it in the first half.
Not really.
I mean, we had the center objective.
Alright guys, let's go do a quick reload, and then we'll come back and switch sides and try that again, okay?
Bullshit. I bought 3 of these, and every single one of them just doesn't want to load.
Have you been overloading them so they don't feed?
No.
Okay. Because that was my issue. I bought a batch that I just kept way overfilling, so they ended up breaking down on the inside and not working.
That's happened to my other 2, but I never over crank them.
I found, because you know how most people say just go until it gets tight. I found that doesn't work, so I just give it 10 cranks, and if that doesn't work, then ouch.
I got full auto right where it's not protecting my head. Right
Oh, of course. That's, well, duh. The only place you're gonna get shot is where you don't have protection.
Well, I have a helmet. I have like a different setup. I bought this paintball mask recently.
Ah, fair.
Alrighty, everybody. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to slap that like button down below and subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. What do you like seeing? What do you not like seeing? How are you doing? That's always an important thing to know. I read and get back to every single comment, so please let me know what you guys like. I'm looking to build this whole channel around what you guys are interested in. Again, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see all you dudes next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
He got me in